My name is Dan Voitas. I'm the Chief Science Officer here at Calyxt. So the technology the company is based on is called TALENs. These are proteins that we engineer to go into cells and recognize a specific site in the genome. And what they do after recognition is they actually make a break. They cleave the double-stranded DNA. And then we direct the repair of that broken chromosome so that we can achieve the kind of edit we're interested in. So the technology that Calyxt is based on, this TALEN technology, it was developed in my laboratory at the University of Minnesota. So in addition to being the CSO of the company, I'm also a professor at the University of Minnesota. So we filed patents at the university, which then Selectus, the parent company of Calyxt, licensed exclusively. And so Calyxt really has a very good intellectual property position on this technology, based not only on the University of Minnesota patent, but other related patents that have been in-licensed to give us this strong foundation in IP. So we're really applying our technology to create food that's going to be healthier for the consumer. One example is there's a lot of concern about gluten in the diet. And so gluten is an allergic reaction to protein that's produced by wheat. And so we're going in and actually removing the gene that makes that protein so that we can at least reduce the amount of gluten that's present in wheat. Another example would be a potato product we developed. Actually, when you fry potatoes at high temperatures, one of the reactions is a toxin called acrylamide. And the FDA, some state authorities and the FDA is likely to weigh in on the amount of acrylamide that can be in fried food. And we inactivated a gene in potato so that it doesn't make the products that give rise to acrylamide. So our potato has about 3 to 4-fold less acrylamide when you make chips or fries from it. Another example is the one I mentioned earlier, our soybean line, and the oil that's pressed from our soybean is high in monounsaturated fats. In fact, the oil composition of our soybean is very similar to what you see in healthy oils like olive oil or canola oil. And again, we achieved that change in fatty acid composition. We created the healthier oil by simply inactivating a single gene in the soybean genome.
My name is BJ Hahn. I'm the Director of Product Development here at Calyxt. I've been with the company since its inception in May of 2010. So unlike the technologies that are used to create GMOs, our technology is essentially recreating what nature has already done, and we're just doing it in a more targeted, efficient fashion. So one of the benefits of this technology is its precision. We're able to go into a plant genome and very precisely modify a particular gene that we want to modify that we think will elicit a positive benefit to the plant. It's essentially no different than what plant breeders have been doing for a number of years. We just do it much more quickly and much more efficiently.
Just this year, we harvested 34 tons of soybean that we're going to be planting in approximately 1,000 acres in the upper Midwest. And so that's going to set the stage for our product launch, which we hope will be in 2017. This technology, genome editing, the ability to go in and make these targeted modifications, it's really changing the landscape in agriculture. The mission of Calyxt is to create healthier foods for the consumer. And you know, the original products of biotechnology, the consumer really didn't see a benefit. The farmer did, so they provided herbicide tolerance or pest and pathogen resistance. You know, we think that the consumer has sort of been really left out of the equation, and they can see directly, you know, our healthier, you know, our fried potato products are going to be healthier for the consumer. Our oil is going to be healthier. It lacks the trans fats that the FDA has recently banned from the U.S. diet. So we're hoping that the consumer can see a direct benefit, how this technology can actually improve the food and food supply.
So our motto here at Calyxt is healthier food for a better life, but I see our mission as more than just a tagline or as a motto. I think our objective or our goal when we started this company, and the reason I'm excited to be here, is using a new technology to usher in a new era in agriculture.